All right, guys, welcome back for Wednesday's directions. Very similar to yesterday. We're just continuing on working on our paper. Um, I'll bring up the directions one more time. So again, each one of these is a paragraph, as you guys know. To stay up to speed or to kind of be on pace to finishing the paper that's due on Tuesday morning, next Tuesday morning. So far we've done one, we've done two. Yesterday we did number 3. That's as far as we were supposed to get, was through 3. So today then, you should start working on number 4 and number 5. Okay, for sure have number 4 done today. If you want to move on and do number 5, you can do that. Remember, number 5 is the reality check. Number 5 is the reality check one. So if you're going to work on number 5 today, the wage salary, that's when you log into the MCIS site. And if you go over assessments and you scroll down to reality check, what life can I afford? So you'll do that whole deal, and then you'll just you guys know, you guys did it before. It just spits out a number after you answer a bunch of questions. Like, with this lifestyle, here's how much money you would need to make per year to live that lifestyle. So then you just compare your results that you got from the reality check assessment to the actual salary of your job or your career that you're looking at. So for some of you, the numbers may be way off, and you'll have to kind of explain some adjustments that you would have to make sure those numbers are evening out somewhat. All right, but that's all I got. Just working on the paper today. Tomorrow we'll look more at the sourcing, and I'll kind of put a video up helping you guys out with that. But all right, have a good one, everybody. Good luck working.